Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to get a spotless, glowing and smooth skin. Now if you have those three things going on your skin, you are going to be loving it, okay? Because it's just going to be so super bright. Like your skin is going to be so super, like it's gonna be the bomb. Like people are just gonna be like, wow, I love your skin. Okay, so this home remedy that I'm gonna be showing you is gonna help you in getting that. Okay, so if you want to know what it does comprises, please do stay put and thumbs up the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, now let's dive into this video. Guys, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is a natural skin lightener, and it also helps to leave the skin youthful. It clears unwanted hair, and it also get rid of pimples. All right, so I've been needing two of this. So the first one is that I'm gonna be cutting it, okay, to blend it. So I'm just gonna be cutting it anyways. And now let me shift that aside. And now the second one is that I'm going to be cutting it in little tiny pieces. For this, we're going to be keeping this aside, okay, so can use that later. And for this, we're gonna be blending it. Turning this into the bowl. Then we're going to be making use of carrot. Now I've already prepared and washed my carrot. Now carrots is essential for the skin. It helps to leave the skin spotlessly smooth, and it also keep your pores tighter, younger and fairer. So it's gonna be useful, it's gonna be helpful in clearing up your pigments. We're gonna be doing is to and we're gonna be blending the carrot too. So now let's blend. We can get some out of this. And this is what we can get. Okay, so see the difference? Then we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now you have to use unsweetened yogurt, guys. Yogurt is a natural exfoliant. It's great for pigmentations, and it's also great for spot skin because it tightens up the skin, remove dark spot and gets rid of pigments. So for the yogurt, we're just going to be taking 1 teaspoon for measurement purposes. And then the next one we're going to be needing is milk. Okay, so I have here some powdered milk. So you can actually get goat milk if you can. You can actually buy that in a shopping center. Goat milk is everywhere. All right, if you don't have, then you can use the normal powder milk. Now this contains a lactic acid that helps to maintain the skin and increase the skin elasticity, so it will therefore help to remove spots. It glows the skin and it leaves the skin beautiful. And then for the milk, we're just going to be turning in about 1 tablespoon into that. Now we stir, we mix, we mix, we mix, we mix, and this is just going to be a great remedy that would help the skin so much. Alright, so for this, guys, you can actually use it like once to twice a week. Okay, what up, guys? Alright, so here's the treatment. This is just going to be a savior to your skin, because if you want a spotless skin, use this. I mean, you're gonna be enjoying it. Look at that. Okay, so, and I have here too. Whoa, this looks so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying it with a brush. So first I'm gonna dip it in and I'm gonna apply it onto my face. Alright, guys, so after this is done, you are going to cool down your face. Okay, guys, so if you're usually very exposed to the sun, you have to use the tomato therapy method. Okay, so after this is done, then you can grab the tomato and then you place it onto your skin. Now before you start placing it, you have to refrigerate it. Okay, let it be very chill, because that's the whole essence of applying it and placing it. And you have to cut the tomato very flat so that when you place it, it just stays there. So if you want a spotless skin, use this, guys. Do this and hold it on for some while, more especially if you're having burns around your skin or your skin is actually reddish and stuff. So you use this, apply the tomato method, refrigerate the tomato, let it be very chilled. So when you apply it onto your face, it sends the coolness to your skin, and then it tighten up your pores, and you are gonna be loving your skin, guys, like this. Like, it's so close. Alright, so after that, then you can get rid of this and you don't need this anymore. Then you can go wash your face off, and trust me, this is an homemade facials. So to get a spotless skin, you need to be consistent in using this. Okay, you can actually just use it just like I've earlier told you in the video. Okay, it's just going to help you a whole lot. All right, now those natural remedies are something you'll be like, oh no, you're making this, you're doing this. It does work. Try it out and you're gonna be loving it. All right, so I'll see you soon in my next video, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please share this video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Mwah.